Hi everyone, I'm Ratana.
I'm Lee Siang.
I'm Eileen.
Let's
talk.
Okay. Oh wait, I'm supposed to ask. So, how are you guys doing these days? It's hot. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling fine.
Usually, I just stay in the room.
Do you feel excited to be here on AI Talks this next season, new season?
Yes.
Yes, but a bit nervous.
Okay,
Same
so
here.
we have some questions for you. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, let's go with it. The first question. Right now, we're in a day and age where I would say we're close to equality, but not yet. So boys and girls still are learning differently. What are your opinions on that? What are your ideas on that?
I think maybe I want the girls to put themselves out more and try to express themselves more so not that much people can disgrade them or something like that.
It's like equality is like me and my sister. Like we have our own side of parts that we do. Like I go help her with getting stuff, buy foods, and she make the food and cooking and stuff. Like washing the dishes and other things. That's
Yeah.
what I think about equality.
I think also, so everyone should respect women, and men should be respected by women. Women should be respected by men. It's all about that. But some people fail to grasp that. So I think we're moving forward as a society, and that's a good thing. And by the way, everyone, okay, what if I say, and speaking on the topic of equality, do you think social media is helping with equality, pushing equality?
No.
Okay. What do you think about that? Have you tried?
I don't really think so. I think it's more pushing it to where they keep, how do I say this? Misunderstanding each other more.
You can say
Like the girls, of course, they're standing up for the girls, and the guys are standing up for the guys. But sometimes when they're standing up for each other, it's kind of in the wrong way for someone to express to other people.
In my opinion, social media is a good platform for giving girls and boys equality because we can speak normally. People can speak. So we don't need to change our way of speaking with one another, and also people can be more comfortable with each other. By the way, what do you think about artificial intelligence in education?
Artificial intelligence, I think that's just such hard thing to describe maybe because
Yeah.
it's also helping a lot of students, but for some students they're using it wrong, and it's just making them not move forward with their education, just staying at one place, because they have this helper, but it's not supposed to be used as free answers. You should be using it as maybe like a second teacher, I think that's a great way to use AI. So yeah, it's 50-50 depending on the user.
Okay.
Just like social media, so how do you think that's helping out with the world? What do you think of social media? Is it more harmful or beneficial?
Oh, that's actually another question I have in my mind, but I think social media can be helpful and harmful at the same time based on how you use social media.
What about you? What do you think?
I think it's bad too because some people in social media are sometimes have bad intentions on one another, and also it could be good, but you can improve your communication and social communication and stuff. That's what I think.
So also. Yeah, because social media is such a big and vast platform, so we're exposed to more people. Some people are not good, but some are very, I would say, motivational, and it helped me through my life. Just like, for example, singers, for example. And speaking of singers, do you guys like to listen to music during, for example, studying? Does that help you or does that distract you? What do you think?
It helps me definitely. It brings me more focus, and it doesn't give me that much distraction from the outside world, so I can have more focus on my schoolwork and stuff like that.
Yes, so what about you, Lisa?
I think songs can help me relax more when I do work because some work are not that easy to do. It could be very stressful or hard to solve the problem. So I just put on some relaxing music or some good taste music that I like, and then it'll help me understand more about the work.
So now, do you know what's the very on-trend word right now? Gen Z.
Look engine.
6, 7.
I think it's Gen Z. I mean, everyone's been throwing that out, especially with the thing with HR and stuff. People have been saying a lot of Gen Z. So what do you think? We're all Gen Z here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you think? How has technology helped with Gen Z? Has it made us more I would say, brighter, or has it made us slower than the last generation?
Definitely did make us brighter and more creative than before.
Yeah.
It's give us a lot of our own ideas and expressing it out to the world for us to see as well.
Yeah, it's create new things because most Gen Zs love to be creative and very confident, and it change our personality too.
And I think that's a good thing because it's always good to be yourself, be happy, be good, you know, life is good. Just go with
Yeah.
it, chill.
By the way, guys, I have a question for both of you. What changes would you like to make for our school?
I think you can answer that first.
I'll answer. The changes that I like to change in our school is the policy and the rules of school. Most schools likely only put on light rules and other unofficial rules to the students. They could be very naughty because the rule won't affect them that much. So what I'm saying is I like the school to improve their rule or attention on the students. That's my idea. What do you?
For me, I think that, yeah, rules are very important, but not naming names, some schools have a lot of rules that I don't think make sense, you know. I think when making rules or in a school building, for example, the most important thing is the students and how they feel. Of course, rules and discipline should be set in place, but some rules are just there to not let the students experience and have fun, and that's the most important thing, right? Like just going to school, having fun with your friends. It's like school environment. It helps improve your mood as well, you know, and
Yeah.
that makes you study better. So, last question. I don't know it
Let's
yet.
go.
Last question. So, in the future, I can see very bright futures sitting right in front of me, right next to
So
me.
honored.
So, what do you plan on doing in the future, or what do you think are the most important skills for the next generation?
I'm pretty sure the most important skills are communication and eye contact when making with a person, so you can hold better communication with them. And the future, I would like to be designer or fashion marketing. That would be really fun for me, and I really like fashion. That's why.
In the future, I like to build more courage and confidence, and also I like to be an athlete, like playing volleyball and soccer and stuff. Yeah, that's for me.
I really like
I admire
your ideas.
that.
I know I said that was the question, the last question. One last one. If you have anything to say to the people watching at home or other students that are watching, what would it be?
Guys, you only live once, so you gotta do it.
Yes.
You gotta do it.
Explore your life. Feel free to do anything
It's
you
a
want.
once in a lifetime,
Yeah.
just like this interview.
Once in a lifetime, so accept every opportunity that comes your way. And give them a round of applause. They've survived our interviewing of today. And see you next time. Bye-bye, everyone.
Peace.